Hello, this is Peter from Old Man King Homestead. Today's Saturday, beautiful day, low 70s, sun shining. Couldn't ask for a better day. I didn't get an awful lot done today. Had a couple errands to run this morning, so didn't get a lot done other than just the regular daily chores. But had a few things I want to share with you. Still no sign of Teddy. Buffy's doing good. I got video of her on the nest today. I didn't see her off the nest today. She must have gotten off while I was gone. But I checked on her this afternoon when I got home. She's still sitting there. Looks like she's doing good. It should be about 11 days now. She should be hatching her chicks out. I'm excited to see that. Don't forget, tomorrow, Sunday, at 5 o'clock, I'm going to be going on live to celebrate my birthday. If you're able to join me tomorrow, I would like that. Here's Alice under my table laying an egg. They got two spots they like, and this is one of their favorites. Chicken just out pecking around for bugs and worms. Had to come over here and check on Buffy. Looks like she's doing good. I don't know how you can just sit in the same spot like that for 3 weeks. Only getting up an hour or so each day, but she's doing it. She's doing a great job. Earl, are you going to say hello to everyone? Say hello, Earl. Good job, Earl. Here's the geese. Just kind of relaxing, deciding what to do next. We don't see a lot of Penelope. She stays inside a lot, but here she is today. Looks like the grass is greener on the other side of the fence. Pigs are trying to reach through a fence to get some grass. Well, Superman thinks he's a parrot. He likes to sit on my shoulder. He'll just jump up here and he'll stay up here until I put him down. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd appreciate it if you do. Please like my video. And don't forget my live, Sunday afternoon at 5. Have a good one, everyone.